Hello guys, it's Simon. Just a little test flight after repairing my mCPX. Let's see how she goes. Okay, well, spurred on by great success from Ingleburn and Jonesy, I've been practicing some inverted with this helicopter. And unfortunately, after two rotor first landings, the feathering shaft resembled a paperclip rather than a straight rod. So let's just see if the repairs have gone well. This is the Taro feathering shaft, a pack of two, for considerably less than a pack of one from E-Flight. Well, it's not wobbling about, it looks smooth, the blade tracking's good. What more can you ask for? It feels like new. Quite hard to see against the autumn colours over there. Size doesn't help. Apologies for being rather quiet of late, I'm afraid I've just been busy. Not so much helicopter hobby time. Happy enough with this. I bought this as a trainer for inverted flight, and so far I've done very little inverted flight with it. I took it to the field yesterday, and to be honest, the exposure to the extra wind did not help. Flying into the wind, it developed the old cyclic shakes. Well, yes, I had several goes. The first attempt wasn't too bad, fresh off the simulator, which I'm not too bad with now, the inverted flight. I did okay, held it for about 10, maybe 15 seconds. Spurred on by that and probably overconfidence, I tried it again and just completely lost it and rotor firsted it into the ground. I managed to hit throttle hold first, but the blade tracking was somewhat off after that. I thought, well, sod it, let's carry on. Third attempt was even worse than the second attempt. So yes, more simulator time required, but we'll get there. Shit. Let's go and have a look what we've done there. Okay, we've displaced the main gear. But other than that, it doesn't look too bad. I'll just shove the main gear up and we'll see if it flies. I noticed looking down, there was only 6 seconds left on the flight timer. Right, let's just have the battery off. I'd push the main gear back up. Ooh, that's quite stiff. It is cold, it's about 4 degrees out here. There we go, it popped back in. Let's put the battery back in. Right. See if it flies. It does. My blade tracking's a little off, so I've probably bent another feathering shaft. Buggery. Well, it was fixed. Thanks for watching, guys, and bye for now.